You're my focus. I'm Professor Christian Osadnik, Head of Physiotherapy at Monash University.
My name is Sophie Painter. I'm the Course Director of the Doctor of Physiotherapy.
My name's Emma and I'm a final year Doctor of Physiotherapy student here at Monash.
Why study the Doctor of Physiotherapy at Monash University? The Doctor of Physiotherapy is a 3-year accelerated learning degree that caters for students with previous knowledge of higher education.
By coming to the Doctor of Physiotherapy at Monash, you are engaging with a department that has been teaching physiotherapy for a long time. We have strong relationships with our clinical partners. Our students really flourish here. They enjoy close relationships with each other because our cohorts are really small.
I had actually wanted to be a physio for many, many years back when I was a young teenager, and I looked at all my options and Monash had always just connected with me. Coming and seeing the university on open days and speaking to the staff, it just felt so welcoming and a really supportive environment. And I just felt like I would walk out of the program feeling ready to be a physio.
What is the educational philosophy behind the Doctor of Physiotherapy at Monash, and how does it reflect the future of healthcare delivery? We focus very strongly on centering our students with very authentic learning experiences in a way that they can develop their skills, that they can be easily transferred into the workplace. They are then building on and developing over the course so that when it comes to actually applying that into the real world setting, as they have a patient in front of them, that they are very smoothly able to execute all those skills. And so that's really the focus of our learning environment.
So what are the learning opportunities that Monash offers its Doctor of Physiotherapy students? We know that physiotherapists are part of a team of healthcare professionals, including doctors and nurses and other allied health professionals. We at the Monash University Peninsula campus have a School of Primary and Allied Healthcare, and we have other professions on our doorstep. And that gives us a unique opportunity to work really closely with our allied health colleagues to really learn about how to communicate and how to work in a team environment.
How does Monash ensure its physiotherapy curriculum stays current and with the latest clinical and scientific advancements? We are very focused on the competencies that are required, first of all, for them to register as physiotherapists in Australia, but we also really focus on skills like critical reflection, critical thinking, so not just taking information at face value, but evaluating evidence and making good decisions that apply for the benefit of the patient and support good patient outcomes out in the clinical setting.
One thing we know is that healthcare is changing rapidly, and we are in an increasingly digital and AI-informed health landscape. Preparing our students to work in that space means that we have to have a really well-defined digital learning environment. We need to prepare students to navigate relevant software and applications that are going to be useful to them as professionals in the future.
What kinds of career pathways do graduates typically pursue after completing the Doctor of Physiotherapy at Monash? So once our students have graduated and they're registered to practice as a physiotherapist in Australia, they can pursue working in many different environments. Most of them will look at settings like hospital, public, private health, but a lot of and an increasing number of students are also wanting opportunities to work in private practice. So our curriculum helps to prepare students to practice in any of those settings.
What advice would you give to someone considering applying to the Doctor of Physiotherapy at Monash? Go for it. It is very fast-paced, but it is so rewarding. I have absolutely no regrets. It is one of the best experiences of my life. I do feel ready to take on the real world. Thank you.